Hi everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to do a test painting with you. I've got a wooden panel that I've got taped up in the back and on the sides, as you can see. And what I want to do is to have a clear background with just the paint colors showing. So I'm going to use the GAC 100, which is a primer and a medium that dries clear with a little bit of gloss, and it's going to be my base coat. I don't know yet how the paints are going to react being on this as a base coat, or if it's going to really work at all, but hopefully it'll just give enough in the background so that the paint will slide around. I'm going to do a swipe on top of it with these colors, and we're going to see where we go from here. The colors are going to be in the description box as always, along with the recipe and everything else that you need to know. They're always in the description box, just so that you're aware. And then I'm going to put the paint on the back of the palette knife. And the palette knife first layer is going to be black Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. So it's a cell activator, but I'm not so sure I'm going to get cells with this background and base coat. But I'm going to just drizzle the other colors on top of it with each swipe that I do. I will be cutting this part of the process out each time after this in the video so that you don't have to watch it over and over again, because that'll get boring. What I'm going to do is just show you the important parts of the video. I'm going to delete out any thinking portions, because there's a lot of those in between the swipe. And I'm going to also do a little bit of doodling and things at the end. So just sit back and relax. I'll play some soft music in the background, and I'll come back and talk to you at the end, and we'll see how it dries and if it works out at all and what I'm going to do from there. So relax, enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in a few. So here's the final results. As you can see, the GAC did dry clear. There was a little bit more on there than I would have liked because it is a little thick and doesn't show the wood grain as much as I would like to see, but there wasn't really a lot of wood grain on this, as you can see on the sides. But the painting itself is kind of cute. It's got a lot of shimmer. I don't know if you can see that. It's really cool with the swiping there with all the shine and the shimmer. And that green did react kind of like a little bit with the other paints, like it has with in the other paintings, but not as detailed of the fractaling as with the other ones, but it's still there. So that's interesting. And the other paints really didn't react with the GAC 100 in the background. But I like, kind of looks white in this picture, but from here you can see it's all the same color as the wood. It's kind of cool. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything else on it. It's got a lot of texture and depth, and I don't know, I don't want to lose the texture by putting any resin on it, so I'll probably just put a coat of varnish on it to bring out a little bit more of the shimmer in the swiping. We'll see. Not bad for a test market or a test here. My next one is going to be on a round wooden piece, and I'll use less of the GAC 100 in the background on the base coat, just enough to get the paint to slide. Need something to slide on. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time when we'll be trying this again. Take care. Bye.